Good morning, class 12. In accountancy class, today's our topic is accounting ratio, category C, that is activity ratio or turnover ratio. So activity ratio और turnover ratio में सबसे पहले हम करेंगे inventory turnover ratio, and the formula for inventory turnover ratio is cost of revenue from operation divided by average inventory. And the cost of revenue from operation can be find out by two ways. Number one, opening inventory plus purchase plus carries plus wages plus other direct charges minus closing inventory. Formula to calculate the cost of revenue from operation is opening inventory plus purchase plus carries plus wages plus other direct charges minus closing inventory. And the second base is revenue from operation minus gross profit. And the average inventory can be find out opening inventory plus closing inventory divided by 2. So let us understand this topic with an example. Here is an example number 48, and the statement of example number 48 is opening inventory, closing inventory, purchase, wages, carries, return outward, it means purchase return, revenue from operation, carries inward, and rent is given, right? And we have to find out the inventory turnover ratio. So the inventory turnover ratio can be find out cost of revenue from operation divided by average inventory. तो सबसे पहले हमें क्या निकालना पड़ेगा? Cost of revenue from operation equal to the formula is opening inventory plus net purchase. Net purchase means purchase minus return outward plus wages plus carries minus closing inventory. So 20,000 plus 79,000 plus 9,000 plus 4,000 minus closing inventory 22,000. So the amount of cost of revenue from operation is 90,000. Then the average inventory, opening inventory plus closing inventory divided by 2. It means 20,000 plus 22,000 divided by 2, 21,000. And the inventory turnover ratio is cost of revenue from operation divided by average inventory. It means 90,000 divided by 21,000. 4.29 times is the answer. So the inventory turnover ratio, here is some more example of inventory turnover ratio. Example number 51. In this example, we have to given the information is credit sale plus cash sale plus minus return, opening inventory and closing inventory, and the gross profit is 25% of revenue from operation. And we have to find out the inventory turnover ratio. And the inventory turnover ratio can be find out cost of revenue from operation divided by average inventory. तो सबसे पहले हमें क्या निकालना पड़ेगा? कॉस्ट ऑफ रेवेन्यू फ्रॉम ऑपरेशन. सो इसमें हमें ओपनिंग इन्वेंट्री, क्लोजिंग इन्वेंट्री, डायरेक्ट एक्सपेंसेस तो है नहीं, तो हम सेकंड मेथड लगाएंगे जिसमें रेवेन्यू फ्रॉम ऑपरेशन माइनस ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट. सो रेवेन्यू फ्रॉम ऑपरेशन कैन बी फाइंड आउट क्रेडिट सेल प्लस कैश सेल माइनस रिटर्न. इट मीन्स 2,70,000 प्लस 1,50,000 minus 20,000. The amount is 4 lakh. So 4 lakh is the revenue from operation, and we have to find out the cost of revenue from operation. It means cost equal to revenue from operation minus gross profit, and gross profit is 25% of revenue from operation. So revenue from operation कितना है हमारा? 4 lakh. 4 lakh का 25%, 1 lakh is the GP. So the cost is 4 lakh minus 1 lakh is the 3 lakh, and the average inventory is 55,000 opening plus 45,000 closing divided by 2, that is 50,000. And the inventory turnover ratio is 3 lakh upon 50,000 equal to 6 times. Is the answer of ITR, inventory turnover ratio, and all the turnover ratio, the answers will be given in the times. So here is one more question from the inventory turnover ratio. Example number 53. In this example, the opening inventory is given 28,000, closing inventory is given 52,000, revenue from operation is 6 lakh, and the gross profit is 25% ऑफ कॉस्ट। पिछले एग्जांपल में 25% ऑफ रेवेन्यू फ्रॉम ऑपरेशन था, तो हमने डायरेक्ट निकाल लिया था रेवेन्यू फ्रॉम ऑपरेशन का 25% जीपी। लेकिन इस क्वेश्चन में हमारा ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट 25% ऑफ कॉस्ट है, राइट? सो वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द आईटीआर, इन्वेंट्री टर्नओवर रेशियो। इन्वेंट्री टर्नओवर रेशियो इक्वल टू कॉस्ट ऑफ रेवेन्यू फ्रॉम ऑपरेशन डिवाइडेड बाय एवरेज इन्वेंट्री। और कॉस्ट कैसे निकालेंगे हम? सपोज अभी जो जीपी का रेशियो ऑफ में गिवन होता है, हम उसको 100 लेट कर लेते हैं। सपोज हमारा ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट 25% ऑफ कॉस्ट है, तो लेट द कॉस्ट इज 100, जीपी इज 25% एंड द रेवेन्यू फ्रॉम ऑपरेशन इज 125। तो रेवेन्यू फ्रॉम ऑपरेशन कितना हुआ? 125। और 125 की वैल्यू हमें गिवन है, तो 100 की वैल्यू हम निकाल सकते हैं। If the revenue from operation is 125, then the cost is 100. And if 1, then 100 upon 125. And if the revenue from operation is 6 lakh, then the cost is 100 upon 125 into 6 lakh, then the cost is 4 lakh 80,000. So इससे हम easily cost measure कर लेंगे। हमारी cost आ गई 4 lakh 80,000. Now the average inventory to 28,000 opening inventory plus 52,000 closing inventory divided by 2. Average inventory is 40,000. Now we can find out the inventory turnover ratio very easily. That is ITR equal to cost of revenue from operation divided by average inventory. Cost हमने निकाली है 4,80,000 और average inventory हमारी 40,000. So 4,80,000 divided by 40,000, that is 12 times the answer of average inventory. So students, these were the questions of inventory turnover ratio. Now you have to complete your back exercise question up to question number 55. Thank you.